Ha ha ha, da 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 da. Hey, I talked to my wife again. I held one blade up there both directions. We decided to go with the black to have a statement in this room, because I think it might have looked all samey. It would have looked okay with the other color of blades, but you can always stand back, have somebody else kind of look around. See the painting we got, there's some black in there. The lamp or the curtain rod is dark. This chair over here is dark. We don't usually keep that chair in here, but it's in here for now. And the TV, most of anything, is dark. The remote is dark. These are dark. The cabinet is kind of on the dark side. So the headboard would have went either way. The other one would have went better with this. This could go either way. The color of the wall was almost the same color as the blades. So that might have looked too samey up there. You know what I mean? And so we decided to go with the black. And don't kid yourself, it was even tricky to get those to line up and stuff. All those screws came with little washers. Make sure you read the directions. Usually they give you one extra screw or two. And here's my extra screw. They gave me 2 extra washers. And when I get all done, I'll have the direction book. I'll keep that in the plastic container. I'll keep the screw there. I'll put it all with all of our other appliance stuff and so forth. Okay, so now we're ready to put the light trim kit on. And if you have a question about that, you can read the directions. But I know that this is going to mount with these 3 screws. And see, one is straight. 1 or 2 of them have the big hole with the slot. So the three screws that are up there, right where the black deal is in the middle. It's kind of hard to see that. I'm gonna back out 2 of those screws a little bit, and I'm gonna take 1 screw out, and then I can hold this up there and put these big holes over the 2 screws that are up there, and then twist it until the screw is tight at the slot there and there, and then I can tighten those 2. I can twist it around. Before I tighten them, then I'll fish with my last screw right there, and that one should go right in. See, don't take all 3 screws out and try to hold this up there and try to Mickey Mouse. That's why they have the big slot. Okay, that tells you those 2 you can leave up there. Okay, so I'm gonna mount this first, and then I know I've got screws on this, so I can actually take those screws out right now, and there'll be 4 adjoining screw holes on this trim piece where the light canopy is, and the wire will go up in there. And you might think, okay, well, how do I know which way? Well, see how it's angled like that? It's only going to fit one way up in the other one up there. Okay? And like I said, if you got any questions, you can read the directions and take your time and put them up there. Can you believe that? I got 1 minute left on my SIM card of this whole thing. I thought I'd had plenty of time, but hey, if I can do it, you can do it. Remember that.